Hey, hello, yo, what is up, my nuggets? Today we're going to be doing something a little bit simpler than what I've been doing. We're going to be doing some claw marks down my face. We're going to make it look like a nice little mauling or something, you know? Something fun. So, let's do this.
Alright, today we're going to be doing something wicked sick. So go ahead and grab your favorite paint palette and mark out the lines where you want the claw marks to go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our liquid latex and we're going to put it over the lines we just made. Now go ahead and grab a thin piece of cotton and put it right over the latex. And then cover that cotton with more latex. And then just keep repeating that until you've covered all of your lines. And before your cotton and latex dries, go ahead and grab a tool or your finger, whatever works for you, and create an indent down the entirety of the piece of cotton, and do that for all of them. And let's not forget the dance break while you're waiting for the drying process. And once you know it's dry, go ahead and grab your favorite foundation and cover the entire prosthetic. And don't forget to powder it so you can set the makeup. And now let's go right back to that palette and grab some red so we can deepen our wound. Now we're going to dip into some black and white and start creating some shadows. grab some blue and some purple so we can create some bruising around the area. And now, go back in with the red so we can further deepen the wound. And now grab some scab blood and get it in all the crevices. Oh wait. Not like that. Awkward. And now finally take some stage blood and splash it all around. Make it look really messy. Now just admire your handiwork.
There you go. Hope you guys loved that. I know I did. Well, it was fun hanging out with you guys. It was fun entertaining you guys for a good couple of minutes. And I'll see you in the next one. Later, dudes.